After V, we go to W. What is that letter? V. Then we go to W. Double V, that is. Very easy to write. 2 V's. 1, 2. Again 1, 2. The small one is like this. Watch again. Down, up, down, up. That's called W. And the sound is wa. Wa, wa, wa. Okay? See now. Listen. The wind is coming, okay? I see the clouds moving. Wa, wa, wa. I see the kites flying. Wa, wa, wa. I see the trees bending. Wa, wa, wa. The wind is blowing hard. Wa. The sound of W is wa. Once again you take it. Clouds. I see the clouds moving. Wa, wa, wa. I see the kites flying. Wa, wa, wa. I see the trees bending. Wa, wa, wa. The wind is blowing hard. Wa. So the sound of letter W is wa. Give me one word. Wind. Okay. Water. Wa. Wait. Whale. What? All those questions. What? Why? Nicely open here. Why? When? Okay. Wolf. What? Wolf. Watermelon. Window. Window. Woodpecker. The letter W. What's the sound? Wa. Water. Wa, wa, wa. Wa, water. When? What? Why? Where? Remember, wa.